I'm interior designer John Barman. Welcome to my client's apartment in downtown New York, close to the World Trade Center. This 6,500 square foot penthouse has taken 2 years to come to fruition. It's contemporary and colorful, though sophisticated, and I'm excited to show you around. When you enter this 80th floor apartment, you're immediately struck by the greatest view of the greatest city in the world. But for a designer, this is both a blessing and a curse. It's amazing inspiration, but how do you compete with New York City? I needed a layout that maximized the view but was conducive to living and entertaining. This space was going to be both the living room and the dining room, but I wanted them to each have their own identity. I'm known for my sophisticated use of color. So once I established the layout, it was time to work on the palette. For the living room, I developed this neutral gray background. Then I added these vibrant purple sofas, which I knew would contrast well with the gray carpeting. I then echoed the purple in the veins of the marble mantle. And I used these lush gray pillows with purple highlights that literally tie the color palette together. For lighting, I used this custom-designed starburst chandelier. It brings sparkle and light into the room and also designates the space. To facilitate the transition between the living and dining areas, I designed the sculptural seating/display piece. It gives gravity to the center of the room, and it's the first time I've ever done something like this. It's always satisfying when a project makes you expand your design vocabulary. The focus of the dining room is, of course, the table. I paired the white lacquer tabletop with these contemporary chairs with a purple leaf motif. Purple being a theme throughout the space. It had to be comfortable for seating a lot of people, but also be a wow factor in the space. I also put in a 12-foot sideboard with plenty of storage. Because this is New York, you can never have enough storage. To complete the space, I put in the circular Mercator ebony table. It takes advantage of this windowed alcove and gives a sense of balance to the space. But I knew I needed one more element to make the great room really shine. So I decided on lacquer walls that are sleek, sexy, and reflect all this light. And I liked the effect so much, I carried it into the hall. The library takes advantage of the high ceilings of the penthouse. The bookshelf is custom designed and 14 feet tall. I also built a flanking matching bar with display shelves, because books always go better with a little refreshment. Between the two, I put this patterned coral carpet. For the furniture, I used white leather swivel chairs and a low-profile sofa that doesn't compete with the view. This incredible view was also the inspiration for the layout of the master. I positioned the bed to put the world literally at my client's feet. And to keep the space peaceful, I concentrated the design elements to the floor. I put in this custom-designed carpet with a transitional pattern. And last but not least, I put in this intimate seating area so my clients can enjoy the view and each other. My favorite projects are those that really challenge me. They bring out my most inspired design. And this penthouse has exceeded even my expectations. I hope you've enjoyed the tour.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?